I'm Blair Gilbert for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you the pop rivets have come loose and the tiller's sloppy. And I'm trying to get them out, but when I put them on a drill they spin. And I couldn't get the pop rivet out in order to install the new pop rivet. As I tried to drill it out, it spun with my drill. When you want to remove a loose pop rivet, you end up taking a drill bit that's the size of the body of the rivet, which this is 3/16. They come in 1/8 inch and 3/16, and you can drill the head off and you can install a new pop rivet. This is the little secret here, is that you can take the drill, when you're trying to drill it out, you can drill at a 30-degree angle. It takes a little longer, but it'll pop the head off and you can then change the pop rivet. You see it's spinning, so nothing's happening. I'm not getting the rivet out. So I go faster and I go at an angle. Install the new one. Changing a pop rivet, no trouble at all with MrHardware.com.